So we're introducing our brand new handheld Video Pro camera for 1.5" lines. Look how small the diameter of this camera head is. Again, this is our traditional. Again, it's for more commercial, it's for more larger diameter, and it has a sound. However, this is so small it doesn't have a locator built in, but what it does have is it has a counter, a digital counter, so you'll always know how far away this head is from the actual camera, which will give you an idea. So remember, we don't use a camera to find leaks. We use it to back ourselves up, see what kind of pipe we're dealing with, see what kind of deterioration we might have. Check it out. The camera comes with a 65-foot cable on the reel. It's a nice crystal clear screen. It has LED lights on the end of the camera, but let's get into the reel and using it at first. If you look in here, we'll show a close-up. This clip back here controls everything. So you can see we have a metal hook. Some of our clips have a plastic hook. It doesn't make a difference. If you're riding right now, this thing will unravel like crazy. You won't be able to get it back. But as long as you ride the clip, now we're riding the clip. So now we could exit nice and easy, and we could bring it back in nice and easy, and we have no problems. In the case is going to have our camera head. And what I like to use is either a little petroleum, Vaseline, or Magic Lube type of lube on the electrical connectors. So what we do is we screw this on to the end of the camera. We screw it on nice and tight. And now we're ready to turn on our camera and get it going. It comes with a memory card. And the memory card has a slot drive where this slips in. And now you could record everything. It also has a memory card reader. So if you're USB and your computer doesn't take this card, snap it in, pop it into your USB. It comes with a sunshade. This sunshade literally just clips onto the camera, and now you're in the sunny spot. You have a little shade. This is a centering device for larger diameter pipe. So what you do is you screw this on, it slips onto your camera head, and it has set screws in it. And what you want to do is put it on, and now what it'll do is it won't drag the bottom of the pipe, and it'll give you a view of the whole pipe. It's going to keep you off the bottom, where a lot of times in an old pipe, a drain pipe, let's say, or even a supply line, you got a lot of dirt, a lot of dust, a lot of material that just settles to the bottom, and you're just creating a cloud. This will lift you up off the bottom. It also gives you a better way to make a turn. This is our small 1.5" head. Why don't you go through? Again, when you're using it, you don't want to just keep hitting it like that. You want to hit it and push at the same time when you get to a fitting. So now we're through the first fitting, and we're going to come up. We have some resistance right here, so we're going to hit it with some pressure, and we popped it right through. Comes with a charger. This battery in here is probably a 6-hour battery of use. When you turn it on, it has a regular off mode, it has a charge mode, so make sure you put it in charge mode when you're charging it. And then it has a charge battery mode. So what you could literally be doing is charging it and using it at the same time. I don't like doing that because you're going to have you're wired to a house, or you're wired to an extension cord, and this thing is made for its portability, so there's no reason to have it wired. Just make sure you charge it and that you're good to go. It's going to tell you your microphone is on. So yeah, this has audio, which is very important. So we have an up, down, left, and right, so we can move that camera and that picture. If we're looking and we're in a tight spot and it's upside down, on the back of this camera we have a flip button, so we can take the whole picture and we can swing it upside down and look at it for what we're looking for. We have a stop, play, and our menu button. The menu button is going to allow you to scroll through and say, we want to do audio and video. Do you want to do a picture with video? It's going to give you the options. It's also going to allow you to change the settings, date, times, and the record button is just that. You're going to push it and you're going to record. Now, another good feature about this camera, we can play it back right for a customer on the screen on the job. So here's the leak we heard. We backed it up with a camera. Take this to the door when you're explaining it to them. It's good to take it inside where it's nice and when you're in a shady spot to show it to the actual customer. But that's what you want to do. And play it back for the customer. Again, make sure you are okay with what you recorded, because that's going to be playing back as well. So be professional about it, record what you need to do, audio what you need to do, and that's that. It has the adjustable light on it so that you can adjust the LEDs. So on the back of the camera we have a couple of menu options. Again, that's where I showed you before. You can flip the screen. You also have a video out. So if you want to play this on a bigger screen, let's say you saw something interesting, want to play it for the guys in the office instead of everybody being huddled over a little screen or a computer. I mean, you can do it directly out of here, but you could also do it from your computer to a large screen on your own. You don't need that. It has a fuse in the back, hardly ever going to need, but it comes with a couple of extra fuses. It also has an headphone jack out. Again, on the back is going to be your charger input. So as you know, guys have been complaining about not being able to get this thing to sometimes even 2-inch lines, and now we have a camera head that will get to 1.5-inch lines all day. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.